This is like a continuation of that really bad walking the Orangeville-Brampton Railway series I had back when I first started. Don't watch those videos unless you want to see the current status of the line, because they're really bad. But this is now for the, well, A part of the Brampton section. Snow's deep as hell, and it's not fun walking through. This is the ancient interchange track. You can't see it because it's buried in the snow, just like the main. But here are the still active signals for the diamond. Here, these signals are still active, despite the fact it's been like a year and a couple months since the last train. Sucks that this line's abandoned for 142 years of history. Oh great, my shoes are getting wet now. Oh. Oh, sounds like a train there. This last part's gonna be blurry, but I think these are the rails for when CN eventually rips out the diamond. Well, it's Rosedale Avenue to, well, I guess it's not Railroad Street, but I'm not crossing the diamond.